Hey guys, my name's Julia. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a what's in my bag. I feel like I haven't seen people do those in a while, but I thought it would be fun, so I'm gonna do it. I hope that this lighting's okay because I'm using natural lighting today. Usually I use my ring light, but I'm not today. So we're just gonna go through my purse. It is honestly a brick. It's really heavy with all sorts of stuff that I haven't gone through it before this video. I honestly just grabbed it. I was like, all right, I'm gonna do this video spontaneously and see what we come across. Also, this is the Louis Vuitton backpack and I really like it. I've had it for like 2 years now and it is my every single day backpack. Like, I do not change purses unless it's a special occasion where I just throw my little card holder and like a lipstick in like a more dressy going out purse. As far as every day goes, yep, this is what I just use every single day. It's so nice because it's a backpack and I have neck problems, so I don't have to worry about one strap being really heavy or anything. It's in like a million of my Instagram pictures if you want to check that out. Follow me on Instagram. I post so much on there and I don't know, I think I have cute Instagram pictures and I'm going to Hawaii in 4 days. So follow me to check out all of my fun Hawaii pictures and let's get into the video. First, hydrate the windpipes. Okay, so first, there's a front pocket here. I feel something in there. I don't really think that I keep anything in there because it's like almost impossible to even get your fingers in. It's this guardian angel that my grandma gave me. So it's just this little stone and it has, I'm not sure if you're gonna be able to see it. Yeah, there you go. There's just an angel in there. So I keep it in my backpack. I honestly forgot it was in there. I think I honestly might have another guardian angel type thing in this backpack. I don't know, but you know. Anyways, so I first open it up. And all these cords, I did put this charger in there yesterday because I was going to my friends, but I just have a phone charger, you know, because you never know when you're gonna need one of those. I honestly always end up needing one, but yeah. And then I have my headphones, which I also just put in there yesterday because I was getting my hair fixed and I like to just listen to music when I'm sitting there for like an hour with the color in my hair. These are the Bluetooth Beats that like hook on your ear and I really like these. I got them for Christmas and yeah, they just are awesome. Okay, and then my car keys. This is a whistle for safety if I come across trouble. Got my keys. I drive a Jeep, so here's my Jeep key and my cute little wrist holder. Okay, and then this is my card holder. It has my debit card, Starbucks card, license, college card, check it out, go Wildcats, and my gas card. And this is just a little YSL card holder. If you don't want to bring a whole bag, you're just running into Starbucks, you can just grab this. It has everything you need. Or if you're changing purses to a small dressier purse, that's initially why I bought it, because I have a kind of chunky wallet and when I would switch to my dress purses that are, you know, more compact, I wouldn't be able to fit like anything, let alone even my wallet. So I got this guy for my cards. Okie dokie. And then I have my actual wallet, which is a Gucci wallet. But yeah, so my Gucci wallet that I carry my cash in. That's pretty much it. And a hair tie. Always gotta have one of those. Because, I don't know, I always end up putting my hair up. So there's that. Some loose receipts. Hand cream. Vanilla Snowflake hand cream. I'm gonna put some on. Because why not while I have it out. Kind of sucks because I'm taking all of this out and I'm just gonna have to put it back in, but whatever, that's what I signed up for. So it does not smell that good, honestly. Okay, next I have these Visine A eye drops, multi-action eye allergy relief, because my allergies are literally out of this freaking world this summer. It's actually ridiculous. My eyes are the most itchy. My nose, like, I have full on, like, I'm attacked in every area of allergies that you can be attacked in. So I have these on deck. A little sample perfume from Sephora. I'll put some of this on too. I actually, oh, that's strong. Oh, my nose is tickling from that. I have no idea what this even is. No idea what perfume that is, but it smells good. Tickling my nose, but scent is nice. Then I have a hand sanitizer. This is the Island Coconut Scented Antibacterial Hand Sanitizer from Simple Pleasures. I don't really know where that's from. And then I've got a couple more things. Oh, this I have not used too much because it's a little newer. But this is, I've been obsessed with essential oils lately. I just got a diffuser and there's not a second when it's not running. Like, I'm obsessed, and I love the nighttime one. It's called Unwind and it's by Sage. I only use the Sage ones, and I have a Sage diffuser as well. But the one Unwind by Sage is so nice. I put it on every night before bed and it is so relaxing. But sometimes I get really stressed out with school, with whatever. If I just like, I'm like, oh, I've been so busy, I just want to like sit back and relax. I got this Sage essential oil where you screw the cap off, and it's a roller ball, and I just put it, you're supposed to put it on your pulse points, so here, and then on your neck. Oh my god, it smells amazing and relaxing. And this one's called Stress Relief Soothing Oil Blend. So I have that in my purse just so that I have it all the time. This is a gross, something is on this. Clinique sample. I'm pretty sure I got this in a Birchbox. Little blotting thing. I've literally never actually used this. I'm not sure. So that really shows you how much I actually need a powder in my bag, but it's tiny, so I threw it in there. We ain't done yet. And then I have this Vaseline Lip Therapy thing. It's just a little tub. You stick your finger in there. This is like the only lip stuff that I use because it's the only stuff that works in my opinion, so. Oh yeah, so this is gonna seem kind of weird, but this is also for my allergy problems. I have this ointment that's basically just like Vaseline or something like that, and I put it in my nostrils if I'm having a really particularly bad allergy day, because it catches the allergies on the thin, I'm not talking like I shove it up there, like I put a tiny thin layer of it in my nostrils and in my nose, and it catches the allergens before they go into your sinuses and cause the issues. And oh, this is also like a serious, like I have to have this in my purse at every moment of every day. No, I just have to have it on deck, but it's this Hemp's Pure Herbal Extracts Yuzu and Starfruit Daily Herbal Lip Balm with SPF 15, because my lips get sunburned just so easily, and if you've had your lips sunburned before, you know how miserable it is for the next couple days, and it like peels off and it's disgusting. I really hate that. So every time I'm in the sun, or like not just like running an errand or going shopping, but like if I'm going to the pool or the beach or I picnic or something where I know I'm going to be in the sun for a long time, I always put this on. And then I have some loose change at the bottom, a gum wrapper, and a Band-Aid. Always gotta have a Band-Aid, because you know these shoes we be wearing these days. Oh my gosh. Oh yeah, I knew it. So this coin that's in the bottom of my purse is actually another Guardian Angel coin. It's a Guardian Angel on here. So I'm gonna put that in the front pocket now with the other one so they can be together and I don't accidentally like lose that coin, because my grandma did give it to me. But now I'm just gonna pack the whole purse back up. Okay, now that my purse is all packed up, I am just ready to go on living my life with all this stuff in my purse. But yeah, like people think that this is a tiny bag, but it actually fits everything I could ever need. Yeah, that's really all that I carry in my backpack. Sometimes I carry sunglasses, but I prefer not to, just because I don't want them bumped around in there. Even if they're in a case, like I don't want them squished. I don't know. I just would rather carry my sunglasses like on my shirt or on my head, or like sometimes I place them like on the dash in my car. But yeah, so that is everything that's in my bag. I really hope that you liked this video. It was more of just kind of something to watch, I don't know, for fun for myself. Thumbs up if you liked it, thumbs down if you didn't, it's fine. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye.